from Tosh Tyres. I've got a Ford Fiesta here on a 2009 plate. Just doing the rear brake light bulb on this on the driver's side. We'll show you which one it is first. If you can press the brakes for me, please. Now, as you can see, this one is not working. The one on the left is working, the one on the right isn't. And you got that one there is working. Now, let go of the brakes. Switch the lights on, side lights please. Now, as you can see, the tail light is in the same as the bulb one. Is the press the brakes. So this would explain that this bulb inside here would be a double filament bulb. So that's all you need, a 380. Now you can lights off. Now to do it, it's quite a simple procedure. Now you've got a screw right here and a screw right here. So you need a Torx bit, which is a T20 or a flat screwdriver. But the tricky one is on the inside here. Through that hole right there. Ouch. Wow, I don't know, that was wet. Something went in my eye. Okay, I can't see it. Let's see if I can. You see that screw right there, the black one? All you got to do is undo that. So I'm going to undo that one first. To make sure whatever you do, do not drop it. If you do drop it inside, there's no way you can get that one out. All you know, then you're going to need is a 10mm nut. But I just hope we don't drop it. Right, that's out. And I then undo this. Now that I've got two hands, I can do this better. So get the screw out first and then get this one out. I then gently pull the whole thing out. I can undo this from here, but the plug's a bit tight, so I wouldn't touch that. I then push this back, push this in, the whole thing comes out. So like I said to you, it is a double filament bulb, which has got two filaments right inside there. So one of them is the brake light. I've already got the brake light bulb right here, which is a 380. Right? And then there's only one way this bulb would go in. Slot the whole thing back in. So there's only one way this would go in as well. When you slot it in, you hear a click, and this would go in there. These little lugs will go in there. What I now do is check, see if the lights are working. So could you please go in the car, press the brakes for me. Lovely. Now that's working. If you switch the side lights on as well, please. That's it, press the brakes. That's lovely. That's working as well. That's all you got to do on this particular model. Don't forget to put the screw back in on the back, and then these two little screws on the front. Do put those back in and then slot this back in place. That's all you got to do. Anything else you need to know, please do let us know. We'll try helping you out as much as we can. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do like the videos. Do check out the playlist for Ford Fiesta. Goodbye.